Today on Unbox Daily, we are taking a look at Disney Ralph Breaks the Internet, featuring the Disney Princess and Frozen characters. For ages 3 and up by Hasbro. We saw these at Toy Fair 2019 and I went crazy! Wreck-It Ralph Breaks the Internet, Disney Princesses. This has got to be one of the largest doll sets I have ever had. It barely fits on my table. I ordered this online from Hasbro Pulse for $199. In this set, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 princesses. Vanellope is not included. She's just a cardboard cutout. But I'm okay with that because I really wanted the princesses. Rocking some casual looks. And they are fully articulated. Wow! Let me just say, wow! On our top 10 Toy Fair toys, this was the one we were most excited about. On the back of the box, there are pictures from the movie, Wreck-It Ralph 2, Ralph Breaks the Internet. Loving that group pic. At the bottom it says, dolls do not stand on their own, includes 14 dolls, 14 outfits, 21 accessories, 12 pairs of shoes, and a pair of earrings. I love the way the Disney princesses look in this movie. I am very excited for these dolls because these dolls look like they are about 10 inches, which is much larger than the 6-inch Disney Store dolls that we bought a while back. Those dolls were also articulated. They had adorable facial expressions. Well, some were better than others. Tiana's closed eye wasn't my favorite, but we found ways to make it work. See? Just keep her to the side and you don't even notice it. I did my best to make the most of every situation. But right now, let's get these girls out of the box for a closer look.
Wearing light shoes, walking down the shore, diving head.
There is so much packaging. This is gonna take me a while. But thanks to movie magic, we are done in no time. Out of the box, the dolls stand 10.5 inches tall. However, Moana is shorter, standing under 10 inches tall. And she has different articulation than the other dolls as well. Most of the princesses can pivot at the neck, have movement at the shoulder, elbow, wrist. There is full rotation there. The leg can move at the hip out to the side a little, then forward and back, and bend at the knee. The range of motion at the knee and elbows is limited. At the elbow, the arm moves to about a 45-degree angle, and they are standing on their tiptoes. Moana can also pivot at the neck. She has full rotation at the shoulder. Now her arm does bend to about a 90-degree angle at the elbow, which is awesome. However, she does not have a wrist joint, but she does have one hand that is curved, making it easier for her to hold some of the accessories. The leg has a limited range of motion out to the side, can move forward and back, and the leg can bend at the knee at just about a right angle. Moana stands flat on her feet, making it easier to balance her to stand on her own. I haven't had a lot of luck being able to balance the other dolls. When compared to other Hasbro Disney princesses, you can see similarities in the face sculpts. The face paint is just a little different. Most of the princesses are wearing flat shoes, but their feet were sculpted on an incline because they are modeled after Hasbro's Disney princesses, and by keeping them all the same, you are able to mix and match the accessories. So it is good to know that these princesses will be able to fit your Hasbro playsets. Now Belle can sit in a chair and read a good book. Let me just point out that Cinderella's face is absolutely adorable. Each doll comes dressed in their casual look from the movie. Moana comes dressed in an orange t-shirt, #shiny, khaki and white palm leaf shorts. She wears a necklace and holds a drink. Most of the handheld accessories have little brackets on the sides to help the dolls hold them. Her outfit is 2 pieces and it velcros in the back. Mulan comes with the same drink as Moana, only it's in a different color. She wears a jacket that is attached to a white tank top. It velcros in the back. She wears black jeans with printed details and red and white shoes. Ooh, I like the glitter stripe going down her sleeve. Merida has a green plaid shirt with an attached undershirt, khaki shorts, brown shoes, and she holds a bag of chips. Cinderella has bangs and wears her hair pulled to the side in a ponytail with a plastic hair bow accessory. She wears a light blue sweatshirt, matching tights, brown shoes, and holds a bucket of popcorn. Belle also wears her hair in a ponytail with a plastic hair accessory. She wears a yellow tank top that says BFF, Best Friends Forever, glittery pants, brown shoes, and she comes with a red book. That can close. Okay, my curiosity is getting the best of me. I just have to know, can the Disney Store princesses fit these outfits? Let's try Belle, since we're already talking about her. The Disney Store Belle has rubber legs, which makes it a little difficult to get the pants on. And their torsos are different lengths, so the shirt becomes a crop top. But we were able to get the outfit on. Just keep in mind that these clothes were not made to go on other dolls, and excessive pulling may damage them.
Don't worry, Gus Gus will sew that right up for you.
Thanks, Gus Gus. Jasmine comes with a plastic headband, wears gold earrings, a tank top that says 3 wishes, wears ombre blue leggings, blue and white sneakers, and comes with a Mickey Mouse mug. Love it! Ariel's hair is styled in 2 ponytails in the front. She has a large starfish hair barrette, wears a lavender t-shirt, mermaid printed shorts, and has a pink cafe drink. Aurora has a pink plastic headband. Her hair is styled in large curls. She wears a pink striped sweatshirt that says Nap Queen with matching leggings, pink shoes, and she comes with a canned beverage. Out of the box, her curls may require a little TLC. Pocahontas wears a navy blue sweatshirt with a wolf on the front howling at the moon, patterned glitter leggings, brown shoes, and she carries a blue Disney mug. Tiana has curly black hair, dimples, and both eyes are open. She wears a green t-shirt, green pants with printed details, and brown shoes. The pants have a raw edge at the bottom. It looks like it has been sealed with heat, so be careful while playing to prevent fraying. And she's holding a green cafe drink. Snow White comes with a red headband with a bow. She wears a blue shirt with a picture of a poison apple on the front, green apple pants with printed details, green shoes, and she comes with a poison apple. Rapunzel is all dressed in lavender, wearing a lavender hoodie with printed details. This also has a raw cut edge at the top that might run if pulled. She wears lavender leggings with golden suns, 2-toned pink shoes. She holds a green drink and has long hair. Our last 2 princesses are Anna and Elsa. Elsa wears her hair in a braid, wears a blue sweater that says Just Let It Go, black leggings, light blue shoes, and has the same drink as Moana. Anna's hair is also in braids. She wears a green plaid shirt with a black undershirt that is attached to it, has glitter, and a sandwich. They Velcro in the back. She wears blue printed denim shorts and black and white shoes. And she carries a bag of orange potato chips. I think it is really cool that Anna and Elsa come with this set. For the Disney Store set, they had to be purchased separately at $24.95, making the mini doll collection $125. for a total of 16 dolls because you end up with 2 Vanellope's. So if you do the math, you're paying $7.81 per mini doll. This doll collection was $199.99 for about 10-inch dolls, bringing the cost to $14.29 per doll. So that's about double the cost of the minis, but you know, these are larger dolls. You can find them in 2 doll packs for about $29 each, so you can get just the ones you want or build your collection slowly. I really like how Moana has a different body type than the other dolls. However, I would have loved for her to have wrist and for the other dolls to have one curved hand. But basically, these are the Hasbro Disney princesses with more articulation, different fashion, and new face paint. I was really drawn to these dolls because of the fashion, and I want to see if they can fit other dolls. We already tried the Disney Store classic dolls. Here is a Hasbro Disney Princess Pocahontas, and actually she has a different body shape than these dolls. She's a little thicker. However, she can still fit the outfit, but it is a little snug on the arms, which has me a little concerned about fitting our made-to-move Disney princesses. We managed to get on Pocahontas' leggings. Now we are working on the top, and we did it! Getting past the hands was the most difficult, and once the shirt is on, it's a lot shorter than it was on them because Barbies have a longer torso. Let's try Jasmine's outfit because it has no sleeves. Ooh, her pants were a lot easier to get on. However, the shirt doesn't have as much stretch, so it is a little tight under the arms. I could barely get it to close in the back. Let's try Ariel. The shorts fit great. However, the top is very short. And Mulan's outfit fits pretty good. Some of the clothes may fit Skipper and her friends, and Ever After High. Overall, I would have liked to have seen these dolls have a greater range of motion, but it is really fun to have the princesses in a larger size, in casual clothes, and all together. Thank you for joining me while we took a look at Hasbro's casual Disney princesses. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now.
And you all wanna be round a champion, champion. This is me, I still on it. 'Cause you all wanna be loved. If you all wanna be loved by a champion, champion. This is me, I'm so royal. And you all wanna be round. Yeah, you all wanna be round a champion, a champion. Yeah. All I wanna do is just stay. You don't understand how I play. I am on my way to win you over and over, yeah. Oh, you can read my voice in your head.